If you're dealing with stomach problems, skin imbalances, depression, heart failures, high blood sugar, low calcium levels, know that you are not the only one. But what if there was a very effective solution for all these health issues? Moreover, what if I told you that all this comes as a very affordable, easy to make, and accessible aid for anyone who needs it? Feeling curious already? What does golden milk tell you? Have you ever heard of it? There are 10 amazing benefits of this beverage. First of all, its main ingredients are filled with antioxidants. These help you fight against cell damage and act as a shield, protecting you from oxidative stress. In fact, antioxidants are main players in the well-functioning of your cells, and research is still showing, even to this day, that a diet based on antioxidants can lower risks of infections and illnesses. Another benefit that golden milk has is that it helps in the reduction of inflammation and joint pain, and this is all thanks to the anti-inflammatory features of this remedy's ingredients. Several chronic illnesses such as cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's, and heart diseases are mainly caused by chronic inflammation. This is why anti-inflammatory foods are helpful in reducing any risk of such health disturbances. Golden milk can also help with memorizing and brain function. It seems that, as several studies have shown, this beverage can increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, shortly known as BDNF. This is an element that helps the brain build new connections, and it's also a main factor in the growth of brain cells. Any mood imbalances can be alleviated with golden milk, it seems. Moreover, symptomatology of depression can also be greatly reduced by including this amazing liquid into your daily eating routines. Heart diseases are another aspect that golden milk can take care of. As we all know, heart-related health issues are a main cause for global mortality. Many of the ingredients found in golden milk are thought to greatly contribute in lowering risks of heart diseases. Also, blood sugar levels can be controlled as well by drinking it. Whenever cells start to uncontrollably develop, a disease known as cancer appears. Along with other treatments, golden milk as an alternative remedy can amazingly help the human body better deal with this illness. This is determined, as some studies show, by the spices used in this beverage that help to re-establish the balance in cell development. Other amazing properties of this liquid include the antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal ones. Indians are known for using golden milk to treat colds because people believe in its immune-boosting properties. Moreover, several test tube studies showed that there are certain main ingredients in golden milk that have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that could play a major role in preventing and even successfully fighting infections. Your immune system can also greatly benefit from the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory features of this beverage. Other elements that make golden milk a healthy addition to any diet are the contents of vitamin D and calcium, which can also be found in cow and enriched plant milks. These two minerals are key factors that contribute to the wellness development and maintaining of healthy and strong bones. And last but not least, golden milk can sustain a healthy and well-functioning digestion by preventing any outbursts in those dealing with ulcerative colitis, as the inflammatory digestive disorder that can lead to ulcers in the gut. So what does golden milk contain, and how can you prepare it? Golden milk contains turmeric as the spice component and milk, but it can vary from this basic recipe. There is a whole list of benefits that turmeric has, being known as a strong liver detoxifier and filled with anti-inflammatory components. So why would you welcome this beverage into your life? Well, the answer is quite on point, considering that we're dealing with such a healthy and powerful spice. Turmeric can greatly protect your joints, heart, digestive and immune mechanisms, the derma, and many more. If you like cinnamon, you can add it to this drink. You'll not only get a delicious flavor, but you'll also benefit from its features of maintaining healthy parameters in your blood sugar levels, in your menstrual cycles, in your digestive processes, and many more. You must also add some black pepper to your golden milk, not just to spice things up, but to also help the turmeric get absorbed. Moreover, it helps with your digestion and has great antimicrobial effects. To sweeten it a bit, add some honey. This way you'll get a better sleep if used in small amounts. Like with everything in life, we need to create a balance. This is why milk is a main ingredient in this beverage. You can use dairy or non-dairy to tame the strong taste of the spices we mentioned previously. Also, milk is known to calm and relax the body. Golden milk is easy to make and anybody can give it a try at home. Here's a recipe to help you get one serving. 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of black pepper, half a teaspoon of raw honey. Mix all these ingredients in a small saucepan or pot and bring it to a boil. Next, reduce the heat and let it cook slowly for another 10 minutes or until fragrant and flavorful. Take off the stove and use a fine strainer to get a clear mug of golden milk. Add a pinch of cinnamon, and there you have it.